Hello. Every month, first day of the month, people send out messages to their loved ones, to their friends, colleagues, business associates, and the rest of them. And the messages are all about goodwill, happy new month, lovely new month, spiritual new month, and everything that comes with new month. My question is this: how exactly is the new month going to be happy? Do you have any plan for the new month? Or do you live on the spur? There is no problem if you don't plan for the month. There is no problem if you like to live your life on the spur. On the spur moments are beautiful, they're good, they're lovely. But if you have a plan for that month, then the happy new month will make more meaning to you. If you don't have a plan for that month, happy new month will just be words that people are saying to you. It might not really make any meaning to you. It might just be literally happy. What I'm trying to tell you this month is, in case you don't have a plan, don't worry, that's not a problem. You can just take your pen and paper now, sketch a plan for the month. If the month is 30 days, 31 days, and so on, make a plan, an achievable plan. What are you going to achieve for that month? How are you going to make that month to be happy for you? Are you going to live through the month like other months you've lived through? Or are you going to make concrete plans to make sure that that month is good and happy for you? This is in case you have not made any yearly, monthly, quarterly plans. If you've not made those kind of plans, just use this month as a test drive. Make your plans for the month. Then 10 days to the next month, kickstart your plan for next month. So that on the first day of the month, if you get the happy new month messages, it will make a meaning to you. So that you already have a plan, achievable plans. And if you're making plans, make plans and, sieve your plans. Put your plans into achievable, moments in time. Okay, this month, I'm going to do XYZ. This month, it has 4 weeks. I'm going to do XYZ. Every Saturday, I'm going to appraise myself if I've achieved my XYZ for this week. So you cut them into weekly plans, weekly achievable plans, actionable plans. You cut them into weeks. Every Saturday, you elevate, you go through your plans for that week, see if you've achieved it. Sunday morning, you go through your plans again for the coming week. See if you can achieve them. If you can't achieve them, do them in bit sizes. That will help you achieve them. But it's good for you to make a plan. But if you don't have a plan, don't worry. Focus on trying out a plan this month and see how good that looks. You have a phone? Make plans in your diary. Every phone now, every modern phone, which I'm sure 98% of people watching this, 100% of you watching this are watching it from, a good percentage of you. Let me not go into percentages and the rest of them. Now, I know a good percentage of you are watching this on mobile. So if you have a mobile phone, there is definitely an app on your mobile phone for your calendar or a widget for calendar. Just drag that, put it on the front page of your phone so that every day you see the calendar, what you have for the day. So what I will advise you to do is Make those plans, put them into your calendar. You can code them so that only you knows what your plans are. All right. Put them into your calendar so that anytime you take your phone, draw down the calendar, you see what you're meant to do on that day. This will help you. If you do this, try it 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It becomes a lifestyle. Then you can make some changes. But don't forget the traditional pen and paper. Write it down first before you can be able to do that. So that even if you are shy of your phone, you see the other one, you'll be able to come back to where you stopped. It's good to make a plan. It's good to have a happy new month. But any month without a plan just goes that way. The next time I come your way, have a happy new month and make it happy. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. You know what you're going to do after this? Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button, and please show me some love. It's always good when you do that because it tells me you are watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next time. Goodbye.